Okay, we are coming with Doña Irma here. We are going to El Grito de Independencia, which is the Independence Day in Mexico. We are going to check this event. It's free. We have music. We can buy food. And we are going to explore how is the Mexican celebration. Maybe I cannot talk because there's a free live concerts. So we are going to check how it's a celebration of independence. Today is September 15, Independence Day, and we are making chiles en nogada. Well, this woman here made it. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Irma.
Irma. Very good, Irma. ¿Cómo se llama esto? What's the name of this?
Chiles rellenos.
Chiles rellenos? Chiles en nogada.
Chiles en nogada.
Okay, this is typical for September because this granada, it's only in September we can eat. It's quite expensive. So it's a chili. In the inside we have carne,
Carne y queso.
meat and cheese. So I choose this one with meat. She told me it's more traditional.
Esos son capeados.
Capeados,
Pueden ser también sin capear.
sin capear. Ah, with the fried or with the egg. Okay. We have this pasta here to accompany. And we are going to make it now. Cheese. We're making a video. And we put so we are going to put here the chile. Doña Irma, please. She's going to show us how to do it. With the cream. With the cream.
La nogada.
It's nogada. That's the name of the cream. Nogada.
Con granada.
Nogada. What's inside nogada? ¿Qué hay adentro de la nogada?
Crema, queso crema.
Cream,
Leche.
cream cheese, milk,
Y nuez.
nuts.
Nuez de Castilla.
Okay, nuts. I don't know how to say nuez de Castilla. Nuez de Castilla. And this pasta. This is Doña Irma's invention. And here is his husband. We had an accident. We had an accident here. Here is the husband of Doña Irma. Buenas tardes, señor. ¿Cómo se llama usted? What's his name? What's your name, please? What's your name?
My name is Telésforo.
Telésforo. Very good. Ah, va. Para el video. We are here with the happy couple. Con la pareja mexicana feliz. With very nice outfit. This, ¿tu vestido de dónde es?
Pues mexicano.
Mexican dress. She doesn't know where is it from. Thank you very much.
Es una artesanía. Son de los que venden cada 15 de septiembre. Vienen vendedores de allá de la ciudad, del sur de México, de
la Ciudad de México.
De la Ciudad de México, no sé de dónde. Y traen muchas banderitas, vestidos, blusas,
artesanía, blusas.
artesanía,
Very good.
banderitas.
Ahora sí, con su permiso.
Vamos a
Okay, we're going to eat now. I'm ready. And because this is a true North Mexican home, it's Carta Blanca, the most famous North Mexican beer that is not sold in the foreign countries. It's some deep Mexican culture, North Mexican cowboy culture. So I'm here in this typical North Mexican house. We are going to see now. And look at my meal. It looks amazing. I'm going to eat now. So, if you allow me, let's eat. Let's try now. Chile en nogada. So, I got it here. And I'm going to taste it. This is amazing. Doña Irma is very good making this. I bought this, but sometimes it's quite expensive. Sometimes it's $20 if you go to a nice restaurant. This is amazing. I think this is the best Mexican food, in my opinion. People talk about tacos, but you don't know this deep Mexican dish. Chile en nogada. This is the best one. It's ancient, it's delicious, fruity, egg, chili, meat, cheese, a mix of flavor. Amazing. Órale. Ah, churros. Churros. The true real power of Mexico. See, with very handsome policeman.
No, la güera no.
El agua de A5, cotton candy,
No, la güera me propone matrimonio, hija,
la dulcería,
Te juro que pensé.
the mobile candy shop.
Que nos escuchan, ¿no?
Really cool. The moment of truth. Matsuri, festival, carnival, whatever the fuck you wanna name it. Huh. With the baseball here. Today is the final, Mexican League. ¿Cuántos van? Y ya se pixeleó. Yeah, with the real deal. Tacos al pastor. Tacos de tripas. Guts. Do you feel like buying a belt? Aguas frescas. This is 100% Mexican.
Pásele a sus órdenes.
Very cool. Ah, I lost you. Te perdí. The giant flag. Ah, está bien chido.
Pues para adentro ya no vamos a poder caminar.
No le hace. Pero vamos a poder bailar. Saludos. Viva México. Ah, jícama. Wow.
De sabores.
Con de sabores. Jícama. The shape of heart.
Tiene
Sí. Burritos. Órale.
Aquí va a estar la pantalla bien cerquita. Ay, es que va a ser para allá y allá va a ser.
Ciudadanía Distinguida 2023.
Debe ser-
¡Viva México!
forma di viva.
¡Viva la Independencia Nacional!
¡Viva! Un extraño enemigo, profanar con sus plantas tu suelo, pienso patria querida. This is how it is, the Independence Day in Torreón. It's a small city and I'm enjoying with my mom. It's very nice, and if you're a foreigner and you want to enjoy Independence Day and some celebrations outside a touristic city, you can send me a message. I hope you like this video, and after this independence party we go and listen to some music and we enjoy at home a little bit, just relaxing. And I hope you have a nice day, I hope you have a good night enjoying this video. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, y bye bye, besos, sayonara, adiós, avientot.